Now, product data templates, what's this all about? So, we're going to imagine here that we're going to build a facility, we're going to build a library. Inside my library, I'm going to put some stuff, loads of stuff, okay? Now, this stuff that I've got selected here is the same stuff. It's not 3 separate items of stuff, it's the same thing. What I do then, pick up the phone, I phone my supplier. He comes in and I ask him for data. First guy goes, here's my whiz data. The second one goes, here's my whiz bang data. And the third one goes, pow, have a load of that. Whoa, how am I going to do a proper comparison when I've got a twist, a whiz bang and a pow? Okay, it's almost impossible and it makes my head hurt. Okay, now I'm not the only person in this chain of process that's going to have a banging head, but trying to compare these 3 different types of data for the same product is nigh on impossible. Is there an answer? I hear you cry. I did hear you cry, yes. A product data template. What is it? One of those. Excel spreadsheet, dead simple. Why is it simple? Because I want it to be easy, okay? We all know spreadsheets. That's why it's a spreadsheet, okay? Conceived by CIBSE, it's in the Digital Planner Works with the NBS, supported by BIM for M2. What does it do? Structures data. So my example here shows, and I manufacture, I'm not plugging anything, cable ladder, power track, amongst other stuff. I've got simple categorization here for my product, my system. I've got some manufacturer data, and I also have some product specification data. Little categories that I can fill in. Further down the list we can see here performance data, electrical specifications, sustainability issues. I've got lots of different sections here I can fill in, and I can put web links to my own specific data, and I can do some stuff for the FM guy. So I can build him a big O&M schedule using a product data template. How am I going to do it? Very easily. It asks plain language questions and it wants plain language answers. What's a plain language question? How long is the product? How high is the product? Even I can answer those. Okay, so as I say, it's simple. So my answers are, my product is so long, so high, so deep. Once I've answered my plain language answers, I've completed my product data template, which becomes a product data sheet, a PDS. I can host it on my manufacturer website. I'm a manufacturer, so that's thumbs up for me. Free to download for anybody that wants them. Only completed once, unless you do a major change. Go back to my project. My stuff has now been delivered in a concise manner, so my minions are happy. Okay, and that's what we want at the end of the day. Nice and simple, very easy to work with, very easy to understand. Okay, so what happens next? PDTs, product data templates, feed into Kobe. Let's face it, everything has to feed into Kobe. So when you feed them into Kobe, we can start to build up product data sets. Sets of information about specific things within your product, product information and project information, which can be extrapolated as shown here, taking little bits out at different sections of the project. So project stage 2 here, we've extracted some very basic information. Maybe as we go through the project that we might take some more information from a different area of the product data template, building a set of information for a different requirement. But the beauty of these is as well, manufacturers can start to use product data sheets to structure their own internal data. So instead of doing it in the way that I know we do as a company now, we can start looking at this from the early concept of maybe designing a new product, and we build up now product data sheets and sets right at the beginning of the process. So I'm now formulating structured data in a fixed format, nice and easy to use, platform neutral, doesn't have to go into just Revit or just Bentley or just ArchiCAD. Everybody then ends up with a happy smiley face. Okay, and as the BIM manager within Legrand, my smile is the biggest. However, product data templates, hang on, how many do we need? 5,000? Don't worry, 6 of them are almost ready. So there's only 4,994 to go. Job done, brilliant. Here are some out for consultation now. Cooling coils, heater batteries, plate heat exchangers, radiant panels, UV sterilizing the tank. Let's have a look at some. Heat exchanger, okay? Nice template with it, fantastic. Why the hell have they done a tank? I've got absolutely no idea, or have I got that wrong? That's my tank. Anyway, that's my joke. Sorry about that. I couldn't help myself. So, product data templates, that's what they are. 6 of them are done, loads to go. We don't just go out and do them willy-nilly though. There is a process that we need to follow. So you can see the process here. We appoint an originating author for product data templates, and we go through a process of creation, test, draft issues, final approval, committee sign-off, and then probably a year later we'll gather some feedback and we'll update them. Fantastic. So how do I do a product data template? First of all, I need to identify a need. Is there a need for the products that I manufacture? I'll refer to the master list of product data templates. Okay, if I find my product on there, is there something similar? Okay, I can't do the template because it already exists. Nice and easy. If it's not on there, I'll create it. Who benefits from product data templates? Everybody. Everybody. It's brilliant. Manufacturers, contractors, designers, specifiers. Who else have I got on there? Buyers and the FM guy. Okay, so we're building this huge amount of data in a simple format for everybody, supporting Digital Built Britain, which Steve alluded to and showed, in fact, didn't even allude to it, did he? He showed it. So, Digital Built Britain, this is going to form a really good structure and base to take our industry that we all share into the future for the next however many years. Okay, so thank you for listening. Keep calm. Beam me up, because it's great. Thank you.